स्वताच्या कामा खातीर तुजे कडेन आयिल्ले हेमा फक्त गोंयकारांच्या कामा खातीर येता. म्हाका रायट आसा तापपाक.
हेमा सरदेसाई, तुम आगे बढ़ो, हम तुम्हारे साथ है.
लेट्स मेक अ रिजनल पार्टी. Did we say put a gun on your head and say आमकां इतल्या टायमान जाय? You don't have the money? Don't tell me that. कित्याक हांवें शाउट करूंक जाय?
मदर ऑफ ऑल.
You can't risk a single life. If you risk even a single life, that is precious to this mother. Looked at the way they should be looked at, I would say don't go out to vote only to my Goans.
You are anti-democracy.
It's okay. So you are a big zero. I'm sorry.
नमस्कार, येवकार तुमकां हब एक्सप्रेस जजमेंट 2024 ह्या कार्यावळीन बहुत बहुत आमी मेळूंक आयिल्ले आसा. हेमा सरदेसाय, जांकां मदर ऑफ ऑल म्हणटा आनी क्वीन ऑफ गोवा म्हणटा, अशें खुबशीं टायटलां दिल्लीं आसा, तांकां मेळपाक आयिल्ले आसा. देव बरें करूं तुमी वेळ दिलो म्हणून. आज इंटरनॅशनल विमन्स डे, सो त्या निमतानी तुमकां मेळटा आनी इलेक्शनाच्या निमतान.
Happy Women's Day to you, to a great journalist who has really done great for Goa. I'm proud of you always. We met when you had started. आणि खूप म्हाका गर्व दिसता तुज्या बाबतीन रुपेश. गॉड ब्लेस.
इलेक्शन आमकां याद आसा, तुमी इलेक्शनाचे आयकॉन म्हणून तुमचो फोटो घातिल्लो.
हय.
नंतर खूब जाणांनी बोवाळ घातलो की हेमा सरदेसाय पर्रीकराक लागीं तिचो फोटो काडचो म्हणून
2017.
आनी आतां पळयत जाल्यार हेमा सरदेसाय BJPच्या अगेन्स्ट उलयता. नाव वॉट एक्झॅक्टली इज युअर पॉलिटिकल इन्क्लिनेशन?
ऑनेस्टली रुपेश, म्हाका ना BJP लागता किंवा काँग्रेस किंवा पार्टी बिटी म्हाका लागा. म्हाका खंयचो गव्हर्मेंट आसा तो लागता. ओके. ॲट द ऑल्सो म्हाका कितें लागता, मनीस कोण आसा तो. पार्टी म्हाका केन्नाच लागली ना. म्हाका केन्नाच ताजो म्हणजे कांयच म्हणजे इट्स नॉट इवन इन माय मायंड, इन माय थॉट्स वीच पार्टी वॉट. गव्हर्मेंट अँड द पर्सन हू इज रुलिंग, व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर मी. आता टेक ऑनरेबल म्हणजे आमचे लेट Honorable ex-RM and our CM of Goa, late Manohar Parrikar ji. तांचे जर बाब म्हणटा आमी गोंयान, सो तांचे जर हें घेतलें जाल्यार ॲज अ विजनरी, अनपॅरलल्ड, हांव विचारता आज गोंयकारांक म्हज्या, ओके, जर हेमान ताजी साथ दिली, ओके, रिलेशन म्हाका लागना. आय हॅव मोर, यू नो, आय टेल यू टुडे, आय हॅव टुडे 3 people who are in the cabinet who I am related to. Most of our Goans are all related to each other. Come on, guys. Let's not go there. Okay? So, Maje is a visionary, unparalleled till today for Goa. Manohar Parrikar Bab. At the same time, tache ton ashe ashille ki he has personally, unknowingly, maybe not in a mean way, he had a mouth like that, he has hurt people, and he would be very harsh when it came to saying, I won't do something for somebody. There's a tariqa, as in Hindi you say, there's a way to do it. But he used to be, sarko म्हणजे तो रुखो स्वभाव ताजो, फटफट करून उलयतालो, लोकांची मनां दुखताली. आनी लोकांची मनां, जर कोण ताचे कडेन कितें मागूंक गेलो, सो ही डिडंट वॉन्ट टू डू इट, तो एकदम रफली म्हणटालो की हांव करचो ना तुजें काम. So that used to be very hurting. So for that he created a lot of enemies of people whose work he didn't do, who expected that he will do their work. आणि हांवें केन्नाच तें पळयलां, कारण म्हज्या खातीर ताणें कांयच करूंक ना. हें सगळें जग जाणा. कोणें येवन सांगचें मनोहर पर्रीकर बाबान तुज्या खातीर हें केलें म्हणून. म्हज्या खातीर ना BJPन कांय करूं ना, ना काँग्रेसीन कांय करूं ना. दॅट इज 100%. That is 100%. Of course, they've given me great titles, all the ministers, and even Honorable CM said Mother of Goa. That is a great title. That day, Honorable Minister Govind Bab said Queen of Goa. That is all great. But 23 years, Rupesh, 23 years, neither Manohar Parrikar's government, neither any BJP or Congress government gave a single show to Hema Sardesai. 3 shows a year or 4 shows for every other 3 top singers of Goa. But not for Hema Sardesai, who Honorable CM himself has said internationally and nationally she has made us proud.
National games and perform केले अजय.
It comes now, the last national games, Lighthouse Festival, and there's one more I did, I think.
तुम्ही MPT चे हाजेर
yes,
Indian Navy चे हाका perform
yes,
केले.
all has come from the organizers of the national ministry. not the national ministry, the organizers who are fans of mine in Delhi side. I mean,
सरकारान दिवना म्हणटा.
ह्या सरकारान दिवना.
पण सरकारी कार्यक्रम आशिल्ली
Now
तुमची.
wait. Personally, म्हाका मिनिस्टरांनी means Hema, you come and perform here for us. म्हणजे they'll personally, not from the government
ना, पण
side.
सरकारान दिवना.
Purple Fest also.
मिनिस्टरान-
Personally, म्हाका कोणे फोन करून गे Hema, you come and sing
So
for us.
फरक कितें पडटा तुम्ही गव्हर्नमेंट इव्हेंट्स
I'll tell you because ESG, for instance, okay, they IFI. IFI is it's the government body that decides. They have a body for entertainment. Okay, ESG. They decide which are the singers. There never Hema Sardesai's name comes there. Never ever.
But you are
So-
there in almost all the things by default. Hema Sardesai
By
perform
default. There
Purple
is,
Fest
you know something, no?
National Games क पहिले.
Above all, there is a divine, right?
म्हणून but you shouldn't
At
be
the national
complaining.
games, yeah, national games, it was
सरकाराच्या
pride.
आपण-
हय.
फाटल्या 23
It
वर्सांनी
comes from
तुमी
the
कितलीशीच
north
सरकारी-
for me, not from the government of Goa. Of course, when I'm singing, I have to say the good and the bad. The mother has to see. If I'm called the mother by the Honorable CM, I have to see the good and the bad. I have the right to shout. I have the right to praise. And if I praise, it doesn't mean I belong to any government. And I don't care if somebody says that Hema, she's an agent of BJP. I've heard all these kind of comments. They come from 3 or 4 people who have formed a Tory against Manohar Parrikar. Because he didn't do their jobs. One of them was saved by Manohar Parrikar in a situation. But there's venom because they wanted something else and it was not given. So one of them is Rajan. I don't want to elaborate. One of them is Armand. One of them is Sudeep. Okay. And there are others. Okay. They formed
सरनेम घेना तुम्ही.
Garazna. Okay.
राजन म्हणून माझे फ्रेंडूय खूप जाण आसा.
No, they will know who I'm talking about
Okay.
because they have 10 fake IDs on Facebook. They have their own Tory where they have their fake IDs. And what they do with the fake IDs is they spread venom. They spread dehshat in Goa, as they say in Hindi. No, dehshat actually.
सोशल मीडियाचेर दहशत बी लोक सिरियसली घेतात तशें.
Seriously, Gehna.
आमी तरी घेना कोणाक
Please, they
घेतलं.
should know that. But I have my eye on them. I'm telling you. I will get them for whatever they have done. I already have the proofs and I will expose them to the world. One of them happens to be related to me as he was related to Manohar Parrikar. Okay, he has, I won't say the same surname or whatever, but one of them is related. And this is the person who has spread the most venom out of sheer insecurity in life. I feel sorry for these people. I feel, and what they do is, oh, maje kaam karuna Parrikaran. Why is Hema standing by him? Nothing against me.
But eventually
Nobody has anything against me because I have not done anything wrong to anybody.
आता इव्हेंच्युअली तांची नांवां घेवन तांकां सांगलें की तुमी कितें कितें कमेंट मारते म्हाका वाचपाक मेळटा हांव वाचता म्हणून. So
ना
नांव आतां
म्हाका लोक
मारीत रावतले.
सांग समज म्हज्या फ्रेंडान एका सांगता ताका मारू न्ही दे हांवें तुका इवन लास्ट टायम हांवें जेन्ना एक इश्यू घेतलेलो ऑफ वन गर्ल हू वॉज हर चारित्र्य वॉज एट स्टेक. I have very clearly said that अश्लीलांतल्यो अश्लील गाळी घालात कितें जाय तें म्हणा म्हजे शब्द हांव जेन्ना कितें उलयतां म्हज्या गोंयकारांक ते माथ्या वयर and they will always, listen to what Hema is saying and accept what she says. This is guarantee. So you can say what you want. It doesn't matter because you have a certain person who calls you, who's a friend, who will purposely send you a message to say, they said something like this. These are the so-called, I don't see there are humans in this world, Rupesh. There are no humans. There is angels and demons. I've said this to you in my last interview with you. There's angels and demons. Some are poised as angels in the garb of angel. They are demons. So you never know. Okay, so I'm still searching for the angels, man. I'm still searching.
पंचामृता फोर्टिफाइड राइस. फोर्टिफाइड यानी प्लस F साइन. पंचामृता फोर्टिफाइड राइस में होते हैं आयरन, कैल्शियम, जिंक, फॉलिक एसिड, विटामिन A, B जैसे 9 तरह के मिनरल्स जो देते हैं संपूर्ण पोषण.
पंचामृता फोर्टिफाइड राइस यानी संपूर्ण पोषण स्वस्थ जीवन. अब घर घर में पंचामृता.
सो गव्हर्मेंटाचे बद्दल यू आर फॉर बीजेपी.
I have never been there for BJP. I've never been there for Congress, very clearly. And it doesn't matter if people think that also because म्हाका हांवें कोणाचें खावंकूच ना जाल्यार what does it matter?
What people will think will
And for
depend
the
on what you answer
person,
now.
see, I'll tell you very clearly. I was for Manohar Parrikar for his vision, for the way his thoughts were. I used to be the You can ask his secretaries, who are now his ex-secretaries. The only one who would walk into his office and shout at the top of a voice to the level that one day he said in front of 20 people, सगळी जाणां येता हांगा आनी सुशेगाद बसता, तूच एकटे येवन तापता म्हणून. And those 20 people of Goa has seen this. And I didn't say anything to him because of his chair. When I'm standing even for agitation, I don't like it when somebody doesn't say honorable minister. I don't like it. It's a chair. You have to respect. तुम्ही नावा बिवा घेऊन उलयतात ते कितें. So I'm going to think twice before doing agitation also. He called me later because as I walked out, I told him, तुझे हे आन्सर हांव तुका मागीर दिता. This is exactly my attitude. I don't exaggerate.
सो आतांची
Okay?
सांगा.
Now,
Let's
no,
come in
but he called
present.
and I told him one thing. I said, हे 20 जाण बशिल्ले पळय ते स्वताच्या कामा खातीर तुजे कडेन आयिल्ले, हेमा फक्त गोंयाचें काम गोंयकारांच्या कामा खातीर येता. म्हाका रायट आसा तापपाक.
बरं आतां एक सांगा, आतां तुमकां आमी मानता, आतां इलेक्शन येवपाचें आसा. इफ आय कम टू यू एज अ फॉर गायडन्स, कोणा मत मारूं तें मातशें सांगा.
Right now, honestly, with all respect to the good things that have happened during this time in whatever government that we have, with the way I see human values not being looked at the way they should be looked at, I would say don't go out to vote only to my Goans.
हां, मतूच माननाका.
मार नाका.
नोटाय बी ना.
Yes, nota.
नन ऑफ द अबाव.
None of the above.
यू आर एंटी डेमोक्रेसी.
It's okay. I've always been a rebel. I've always been a rebel. No, don't go because, you know, who are you going to vote for, man? Tell me. You tell me, Rupesh.
मग तुम्ही मतं मानणार
Who are you going to vote?
बाकीचे लोक
there is recently one party came to me
हां.
and the main guy of the party came to me and said, आम्ही पार्टीचें नाव बदलता. तू भितर सर. हेमा फटी उलयना. माझ्याकडे पर्सनली येऊन विचारता कोण काय म्हणून. चलता. I will ask. I will
Off the
tell.
record सांग.
Yeah. So, said we will change the name if you want because their main person wrote even a personal letter to me. Okay. So, I asked one of their other topmost person, a lady, I said, what should I do? Because Goa needs something different now because I'm not happy with the way the government. You saw me shouting that day at Santinis.
So we are with the opposition.
No, let me tell you that this party came to and I was accepting. Itle tukli out zalli muji. I was accepting. She said, no, Hema, that party is gone. My party is gone already. Don't go there. Okay? So, this is the situation. Now, the thing is that I still say we should have a regional party. I still say we should have our own party. If somebody is ready to support, from behind I will support you. I don't need to come into and fight elections.
मत मारू नका म्हणटा फावटी.
मारू
जे उबे
नका.
रावल्यात
हांव
ते-
विचारता रुपेश, हां, कितें चल्लां? तुमी ह्युमन व्हॅल्यूज आज GST आमी टॅक्स परफेक्ट भरतात सगळे लोक. आज हार्डली कोण लिपयता आपले टॅक्स. एव्हरीथिंग द गव्हर्मेंट बाय द ग्रेस ऑफ गॉड, येस यू आर डुईंग वेल. दिस गव्हर्मेंट इज डुईंग वेल वेर आर इकॉनॉमी इज कन्सर्न्ड. इट इज रायझिंग, ओके, अँड आय एम व्हेरी व्हेरी प्राऊड. आय टोल्ड यू द गुड अँड द बॅड आय विल स्पीक. But when it comes to human values, if you're asking me 75 years later or 76 years later or 77 years later, if you're telling me you're doing a great job, I'm sorry, even today, when you do a small thing, like I said, rasto, आमी सगळ्यांक कितें म्हणटा, बरो रस्तो घेयात आं लायफान. द पाथ ऑफ वे हॅज टू बी a good pathway. Everything is rasto. तुमचे रस्ते कितें रे? तुमी जेन्ना digging करता, oh, I appreciate. Let's have a smart city. Who's saying no? Nobody's saying don't want. We all want a smart city. तुम्ही एकदा खोदलो न्ही रस्तो, immediate, that is human value. Clean it up. How many scooterists we have in Goa? How many we have in India? Huh? No feeling for them. So you are a big zero. I'm sorry.
तुम्ही पणजेचे उलयता.
Panje is a mess. You know where I really lost it? आता पळय तूं पणजे, ओके, तो रस्तो आसा न्ही जो कम्युनिटी हॉल तालिगांव सायड फाटल्यान, ओके, अरे भाटल्यान, ओके, हेवटेन मळ्याचो रस्तो आसा वीच गोज टू दोन्ही तुम्ही खोदून दवरल्या. यर ट्रॅफिक जॅम जाला, हांगात बंद रस्तो. आतां माझी सटकली म्हणटा. I mean, come on, man. You don't have values. You don't have feeling for people. Okay, if you say the people in charge, they're very good people. I know them personally. The ones who are in charge of doing this.
They're your friends.
They are well. I have friends in the ministry also. In the Congress ministry,
officers are your
I had
friends.
yes, they are my very good friends, and I look up at them as human beings. They have no given. They have not been given that infrastructure or somebody at the top. I'm not even saying the CM or anybody. Somebody out in the national ministry, in whoever is in authority. Say the CM. Where is the feeling? It has to come from you all. कोणी तुमकां सांगूंक ना, फिलिंग जायना तुमकां. तुम्ही रेड लायट्स घेवन तुमच्यो गाडयो फटाफट बऱ्या बऱ्या रस्त्यांचेर काडटा. ऑफकोर्स गोवा, थँक्स टू मनोहर पर्रीकर बाब, okay, has the best roads today in our main highways. What about the inside? You see our tourist spots, man. In after I've shouted whatever, I'm not taking credit for it, Rupesh, but those roads are getting repaired in the north also. Okay, but if you see a real tourist belt in the north or the south, the inside roads need to be looked into.
Smart city is not smart म्हणटा तुम्ही.
Smart city is welcome, again I say, but not the tarika, not the way in which you all are doing the तुम्ही जे करतात ते. Did we say put a gun on your head and say आमकां इतल्या टायमान जाय? म्हाका होय स्टेटमेंट आवडूंक ना की we want it by April completed. No, it's going to be a mess. For instance, now there is a Dr. Dhume who has written a letter to the government that my poor old parents, very old, they need to go out, they need to go to the hospital, and they cannot come out because that road is dug up. Okay. In the middle, I had another distress call also. Okay, that we cannot go and be with our parents are suffering the dust and this and that. I mean, त्या म्हणलें मरे dust. हांव म्हणटा अर्दो रस्तो करूंक जायना पयलीं. वो रस्तो करा अर्दो. हेमान सांगचें पडटा, am I an engineer? हां, कितलो टायम लागता? खोदलें तुमी हें केलें न्ही, पर्वरी पळय आतां. ते खणलां ते गुणे तशे दवरल्या ते. कोणूच पॅचअप करूंक येना. Okay, कित्याक? You don't have the money? Don't tell me that. How much are we giving, man? All of us are giving from their pockets, from their salaries, from everything to the government. खंय तुमचे कडेन पैसे ना? Tourism is doing extremely well in Goa. खंय तुमचे कडेन पैसे ना? सांगा.
Precisely change the government.
Is there another government? Question.
Opposition. India Alliance.
See,
ना.
Let's make a regional party.
आसा त्यो बऱ्यो ना, MGP, RGP.
No comments.
आणि UGDP तर सध्या
Right now, because I don't see anything that has been done super great by any party, I'm saying don't vote against democracy.
Form the regional party.
Yeah.
Let's form the regional party.
Yes.
हेमा सरदेसाई तुम आगे बढ़ो, हम तुम्हारे साथ है. अशें म्हटल्यार तुम्ही you will start.
Of course, I don't need to be
कितल्या
in the
आनी
election.
म्हणपाक
I don't need the power. I don't need. My life has only been, if it's appreciated or not, a sacrifice. And I'm ready to die for my Goa. But they have to come out. Enough, Rupesh. आता हेमा भायर सरचे ना एकटे. तुमकां जाय मिनिमम 100 लोक म्हज्या दारा भायर जाय म्हाका, किंवा म्हाका फोन करूंक जाय की आमी 100 जाण मिनिमम आसा. आतां म्हाका सांग, साऊथ गोवा, आय एम वरीड अबाउट द एअरपोर्ट सीन. Okay, I'm getting SOSs from people. Hema, they are going to close down our airport. Maka doyan dukha eta. Why even this fear in our people? Why, when there are so many employees in Goa, in the south, okay, who have got tanche stomach, the poor guys have gone abroad, yaar, because they didn't have the rozi roti anga. Ata tumi tanka परते दुकलता बाहेर रे. असो स्टेटमेंट काढा किंवा गिव्ह अस रिटर्न नी. Give us return that no, this airport will not be shifted. You care about the people. It's not about your convenience. It's not about your convenience and the convenience of your party or the convenience of the world at large. It's about the people, for the people, by the people. It's about the people. If you don't care about their rozi roti, about tanche जेवणाचे, tanche salaryचे, tanche तुमका पडूंक ना आल्या.
But what,
You
what
are a big
assurance?
zero.
What assurance do you want when CM is assuring on the floor of the house?
I
which is
want
the
a
highest-
written thing that
It is
this
there on-
airport.
floor of the house goes in writing. It is more stronger than writing.
But then why are people still insecure then? Give such an come out right in the open, where you say, don't worry, it will not be done. I don't want a single person in quaking in fear.
What
I don't
is
want a
your
single
fear?
Goan.
You
But
have a fear because someone else is getting afraid.
See, for me, what did you say? Sorry.
You have a fear of Dabolim closure.
Yeah, somebody else will
because
suffer.
someone else is getting afraid that it will be closed.
Yes.
Are you
I was
convinced that it will be
always,
closed?
I don't have fear in me. I have no requirement for anything in life. I can
No,
live
fear in the
daily.
sense social
My
fear.
life has been living for my for whoever needs me. I'm somewhere near in my life. At some point, I'm at a mamledar's office or a survey department, collector's office helping somebody or the other. तांचे नंबर सुद्धा नासता म्हजेर फोनाचेर. म्हाका तांचे कांय नाका. म्हाका कोणाचेच कांय खावंक ना आनी पोवंक ना बाबा.
fear
But the fear is that when they say ना गो बाय, तूं सांगता assurance म्हणून पूण ते फोटी मारतात. When they say like this, no, my heart hurts. Why are they quaking? Why is their assurance not going to every soul? Be loud enough, I'm asking the government. Be so loud that everybody is in peace. When energy shakes, it's not good for the universe.
पंचामृता फोर्टिफाइड राइस, फोर्टिफाइड यानी प्लस एफ साइन। पंचामृता फोर्टिफाइड राइस में होते हैं आयरन, कैल्शियम, जिंक, फॉलिक एसिड, विटामिन ए, डी जैसे 9 तरह के मिनरल्स जो देते हैं संपूर्ण पोषण।
पंचामृता फोर्टिफाइड राइस यानी संपूर्ण पोषण स्वस्थ जीवन। अब घर घर में पंचामृता।
So assurance on the floor of house is not enough.
It's not enough. No.
कितें करपाचें सीएमान?
No, I think there should be a big, an interview of his, not just him speaking because how many people watch the social media thing? Okay.
Assembly is the most watched social videos.
Yeah, but I don't see from the way I've got messages, which I'll show you proof, Rupesh. I will show you the proof that why are our people still quaking? Why are they so afraid? Fear is not good for humans. It brings down
Apprehensions are
energies.
there.
Apprehensions are there. Foteta. Give them such an assurance, no? Look how I'm talking, man. When I talk, I mean business. Okay? Whatever it is, those historical relics, they saved. Hema's word, that I respect them for. They respect my word. So I respect them for that. Even the Honorable CM respects my word. That's why, but every time shout karung jai? Kidyat ame shout karung jai?
Mother of all.
By the grace of God, okay, he's been so kind to me. I can just be like so many of our Goans who say, I'll live abroad, yeah,
You
no
are
problem.
mother of all. You are enjoying that title.
It's really, Rupesh, coming from you. Is
I'm
it,
saying it has
is
been
it
said.
is it an enjoyment or is it more of a responsibility when somebody calls you?
It's a responsibility, no?
Yes. So it is far from enjoyment. When somebody calls you a queen or calls you mother or something, it makes you more dutiful. It makes you more want to die for your people. Those are real monarchs.
No, wait.
Not people who are basking in titles. Yeah.
No,
Come
हांव
on.
तुमकां कित्याक सांगता? I was answering your question कि why should I do this? Otherwise, I would have enjoyed my life like a normal. So I'm telling
that's
you,
what
you
I'm
have
saying.
been.
I would, I can enjoy with those titles, but no, it's the opposite. Those titles make me more fight, more shout, shout more, express more, because if you all are saying that, then हांव म्हणटा म्हणजे गोंयकारांक सुद्दां संवय जाल्या तुमकां, लायक आय सेड दॅट डे, संवय जाल्या जस्ट बींग इंडिया, कंट्रीमॅन आर क्वायट, संवय जाल्या टू बी डावन ट्रोडन इन लायफ. आसूनी मरना आमी, करुनी तांकां कितें करता तें. At least one person, whatever titles you all have given me, before those titles came also I did it, no, that's why the titles came. All my life
But
I've
now
been doing
you
it.
said
Yeah.
you want at least 100 people at your doorstep to step up.
Yes, now at least 100, no more
Shumbar Zantari
alone.
only.
Because my fear also is one thing, Rupesh. They call me. I always never have started an agitation. They call me. They say we'll do it. When the agitation happens, a person who I don't know can speak something that is hurting me regarding any respect being lessened of any of our authorities. Whatever it is, you have to keep the respect of the chair. It's our Goan chair. You have to, certain protocols have to be maintained. You can't be insulting like that. You shout. You say things are wrong. You take them on whatever way you want to. But respect cannot be compromised. Sorry. No.
So तुम्ही म्हणपाक कितें सोदताय मातशें
ना
आमकां
कशें
अजून
उलयतात कशें रिस्पेक्ट टायटल एक आसता एक कोणाक एड्रेस करतना टायटल घेनासतना एड्रेस करप देन आय फील आय एम इन द रॉंग प्लेस दे अब्यूज अ पर्सन हू इज नॉट इन्वॉल्वड
But then,
समटायम्स दे
आमचे
अब्यूज अ पर्सन
गोंयची-
हू इज नॉट इन्वॉल्वड इन वॉट इज हॅपनिंग रॉंग
रिस्पेक्ट
हाऊ कॅन यू टेक समबडी डिफेम समबडी यू कांट
विदाउट टायटल म्हणटा पळय न्ही
ऑनरेबल शब्द येवकूच जाय
म्हणजे आता एवरी टाइम तुमकां रिफर करता आसतना आमी
ना,
गोवा
minister.
नायटिंगेल
Minister.
हेमा सरदेसाय अशें म्हणचें पडलें हेमा बाय इज मच क्लोजर वॉट देन
बाय बाब कर न्ही बाब तरी म्हणात
प्रमोद बाब अशें म्हणचें
Whatever you say.
तें मातशें हॉट दिसना कोणाकूय रुपेश बाब
Bob, at least give respect. Respect is very important in life. Otherwise, why are we humans then? You tell me.
सो म्हाका तुमची अजून भुमिका कळुना यू आर विथ गव्हर्मेंट और यू आर नॉट विथ गव्हर्मेंट यू आर विथ सोशल एक्टिविजम और यू आर नॉट विथ सोशल एक्टिविजम
Rupesh, you should answer that. After what I did that day at Santines, okay, I even told them how मेल्यार तुमकां बरें तुमी खूश जातले हे आनी प्रश्न तुवें आनी म्हाका विचारपाचो
ना बट यू
No, I am asking you now. You answer my question.
Adi
Rupesh.
interview
No,
उलटी
of
झाली.
course. You answer my question. Ki after the way I tore into them that day, already 23 years loss. कितले करोडाचे लॉस जाले फॉर गोवन्स टेल मी एक आटी दिसल्या तकले रेमाच्या की बाबा म्हाका दिवना तुमी केन्ना गेले हात जोडून केन्ना विचारलें केन्ना मागलें हेमान देवान म्हाका अपुर्बायेन दवरला म्हाका म्हज्या स्वताच्या ओन मनशांनी लुटलां ओन मनशांनी पूण एक म्हाका देव अजून जितें आसा मरपाक तयार आसा वॉट शूड आय डू फॉर माय गोवन्स पुट अ हँगमॅन्स न्यूज टेल मी कम 1000 of you come out and say Hema hang yourself for us everything will become okay I promised you Rupesh I'll do it I promise you 10-15 years ago I had said I'll die for Goa if required but you have to come out and say फाल्यां म्हणल्यार आमकां नाका तशिल्लें कित्याक मेलें हें म्हणणारे आहात तुमी come out 1000 of you come out enough if I don't put that hangman's noose and hang myself in public no my name is not Hema म्हाका दुखता रुपेश when I see a scooter is bumping on those and falling म्हाका दुखता I may be an idiot in this world for that but maybe so was Lord Jesus so was Lord Buddha so was Lord Krishna maybe a prophet was who hurt for others maybe it was not the right thing right but I'm made like this what to do tell me why should a person who is doing his work morning and evening looking after his family take because you made a mistake it's your job to cover that khadda that pit that pothole whatever it is हांव सांगता इतले ह्युमन वॅल्यूज ना रे तुमकां तुमी रमलर्स केल्या बेस्ट रमलर्स आर वेअर यू नो आय टेल यू सी दिस सिरियसली टू मी rumblers when you're going to the Mopa airport there are some rumblers are there it's required fine लोक आपल्या कष्टांनी काडून मरे गाडयो घेतात I'm not bothered I'm not talking I say I remove my word bothered I'm not talking about the ones who have lots of money I'm talking about the ones who are कष्टांनी अरे आमची गाडी आयली तुम्ही तांच्यो गाडयो फोडून उडयतात तुमच्या काळजांक दिसना रे when Honorable Modi ji came our Honorable Prime Minister you removed the rumblers बाकीचे आम आदमी कांयच न्ही you can't repeat those same rumblers कितलो टायम आनी मनशां should I put some of my contribution to the money you don't have that money to make those rumblers man and white lines कित्याक ना on every ते कोण आमचे बरे आसा ते she took it up no Cecil took it up Cecil I'm proud of her for what she has done she's taken them कोणे आयकले how many there are speed breakers where the scooterist poor fellow at least the car goes up it bumps down it may break and that is also cruel to do that to the cover scooterist is flung aside he's flung out okay cattle I have been saying this, even Manohar Parikar's government, late Manohar Parikar's government was flop at it. Cattle removing. He said, we can't do anything about it. Some solution should be there. I am all the time with my car, ask my friends, Rupesh. हांव वता तांकां पे पे आपले हॉर्न वाजोवन तांकां सायडीक काडटा. कुत्रे पळयले ते पावडे. Trust. Animals trust humans. Sit on the road because it's warm for them. आलो स्कूटरीस मारली गेले किंवा गाडी आयली मारली गेले. Everybody doesn't love animals. But it's minimum human respect you can give to a creature of this world. This minimum things, as पहिला pollution in the vehicles, okay? दुसरी गोष्ट आज ऐकायला हवे की if you want a job being done, you have to go 100 times to the offices back, 100 times to the government offices back. असे लोक म्हणटा हे सत्य आसा. हांव तुका विचारता रुपेश, you would know better.
हय. द थिंग इज दॅट खूप जाणांची कामां जायना, परत परत वचचें पडटा तांकां.
Why? Why is the system not put in place where your work is done?
It is not about system. Again, I'm just interrupting you. My friend and your friend Pramod Acharyan एक मध्ये रील काढलेलो which went viral and I agree with Pramod Acharya की तो म्हणटा गोंयकारूच हेवटेन ऑफिसांनी बशिल्ले आसता, ते गोंयकार ह्या गोंयकारांची कामां कित्याक करिना, फायली कित्याक पेंडींग घेवन दवरता.
Yes.
भायले लोक येवन बोळा घालतात ते ओके आसा, भायले लोक येतात ते वेगळो विशय आसा, पूण गोंयकारूच गोंयकाराची कामां कित्याक
आणि
हाडून
परते
दवरता.
परते हेमाच्या कानार कित्याक पडटा हे गोष्टी लायक हेमा एअरपोर्ट वी आर वरीड. हेमा खातात गो पयशे मागतात आमचे कडेन. हेमा हे कित्याक वाय स्टॉप इट. इफ इट्स नॉट ट्रू, स्टॉप इट.
So you are in favor of
Stop the
regional-
people talking if it's not true. If it's true, get it
So you are in
cleaned up.
favor of regional party.
I'm very much in
पूण
favor of
आताच्यो
it.
existing न्ही.
I'm not Atacho. I just don't believe in what's happening because nobody's. When I shouted that day, how many regional parties came and shouted for the mess that is happening in Panjim? I again say, I am for smart city. I appreciate that. There's a tarika. Take 1 year, take 2 years. तुमचेर गंध दवरले आमी. एक अर्ध रस्तो करा मरे. हांगाय खोदला, थंय वेल्या थंय खोदला, थंय वेल्या कसली हरी आसा. Did we say immediately do it? Are we dying and all of us is gathered and say आमकां smart cities जाय म्हणला आमी? No, we are chilled out, man. There, you take your time. 1 year, 2 years, little bit. त्रास दिवं नाका कोणाक. तो मनीस फाल्यां मरूंक शकता. मे बी इन युअर पॉट होल, मे बी पडल्या न्ही लोक आनी मेल्या. तांकां जिवन ना. तुमी अशें जिवन दिता कचऱ्याचें. खंय आसता तुमची मनां रे, खंय गेली. आनी हांवें आनी एक आयकलां रुपेश. हांवें आयकलां की जे लँड आसा न्ही आमचे गोंयची, that is being sold and bought like anything. Okay. By top authorities of Goa also. Some of them have gone so blind in their money making and in this quest that administration has taken a back step, a back seat. So I'm saying, Baba, sadda jagpak येवंक ना. You know? ती हाय लागता न्ही लोकांची, हें सारकें आयका ते आवयचें. आवय म्हणल्या मरे म्हाका. हाय लागता न्ही लोकांची. कितलोय बरो मनीस म्हणून कोणी त्या मनशान कितें तरी वायट केलां तेन्ना ती हाय लागल्या. हें हांव बरोवन दिता तुका. कितलोय व्हडलो लिडर आसना. He has hurt some hearts or she has hurt some hearts. ती हाय लागता ती. Very bad for your karma. Don't forget karma. You see it in vicious ways. You guys are forgetting, you know. So if you want a good life now, ahead, and afterwards for your generations to come or for yourself also, change now. My tagline also says, be the change.
Be the change that you want to see in this world.
We all want to see. Yeah.
देव बरें करूं. आनी कितें सांगपाचें आसा जाल्यार सांगा तुमी.
Na, I want immediate action by the government on rumblers, on speed breakers, full assurance to the people of Goa about the airport in the south, especially our south people. I'm worried for them. I want any khadda pothole is there, immediate covering of that pothole. You can't risk a single life. If you risk even a single life, that is precious to this mother. Sorry. You are zero there.
So these are your demands before the
Demands means it's like you have to do it. Secondly, cutting of trees. Okay, you have stopped right now. In the middle also, when I had made noise, they stopped cutting of the trees. Even when you're doing, they थोडेशे येतात न्ही बिल्डिंगेच्या वयर म्हणून ते हे करतात, ट्रीम करता. ओके, सांगात लोकांची काळजां धड्डो. कितें करतात ते, डोंट मेक पीपल फील फियर. ओके, आता आनी एक गोष्ट सांगता तुका, शिवाजी.
हां, तो एक ओके.
You didn't bring that topic. I'm still hurting over your words, Rupesh, about the enjoying the titles.
I'm not saying you're enjoying the title. You can rewind and see. I said you have been given the title.
Okay. You take that back. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you so much. Well, हांव विचारता, हांवें मदीं स्टेटमेंट काडलेलो. थोडेशे प्रिस्ट कितेंय उलयतात आनी कशेंय करतात एंड देन म्हजें ट्रू जालें मरे, खरें जालें मरे, यू इन्सायटेड. एंड आय लूक अप एट वन ऑफ देम for the work he has done for Mother. I really look up at him. But you incited, you can't generalize, and you have no right. I'm telling all the priests, whether Hindu, whether Muslim, or whether Christian, I am telling, Hema Sardesai is telling, don't go in the holy places and stand on things like altars and speak sin. Don't incite and hurt. Our gods were only love. Where there is love, there is God. I'm not saying be like him and forgive and forget. We are angry. We're all angry people. Okay? But this also is angry. And what you do, you incite for so much of celebration. For what? I want to ask you today, Rupesh, and I want to ask all my Goans with all respect. You've been incited, fine, we did a Shiv Jayanti. Okay, first time was there a celebration in Goa like this for Shiv Jayanti? Was it? I'm asking you, Rupesh.
इतलें नाशिल्लें पूण
केन्ना जावना इतलें.
आसतालें सेलिब्रेशन.
So it come out of incitement. तो महाराष्ट्राचो राजा आशिल्लो. We seriously look up at him. But you can't make a statement that all Hindus see him as God. What a blasphemous statement. And then you get Shiv Jayanti done the way it was done now. You have incited. Okay? Now, why this? I'm also asking, why such a celebration? Celebrate him as, but सगळीकडे तुम्ही स्टॅच्यू घालता तशें. आमचो was he hacking?
पंचामृता फोर्टिफाइड राइस. फोर्टिफाइड यानी प्लस एफ साइन. पंचामृता फोर्टिफाइड राइस में होते हैं आयरन, कैल्शियम, जिंक, फॉलिक एसिड, विटामिन ए, बी जैसे 9 तरह के मिनरल्स जो देते हैं संपूर्ण पोषण.
पंचामृता फोर्टिफाइड राइस यानी संपूर्ण पोषण स्वस्थ जीवन. अब घर घर में पंचामृता.
गोंयांनी तांणी रूल केल्लो. इट इज सेड एंड इट इज
नॉर्थाक आयिल्लो तो टू अ सर्टन टू अ सर्टन किलोमिटर्स ओनली. Southak येवना तो. And he has not come into to a certain level. He fought when it was required for us. We appreciate, we look up at you, but worship, people worship God. Yeah. Why these words? Salam amcha Shivaji kya? Ami manna konakui kide ulaya tu Shivaji mare. You know, it's a pride to know that in our country such a king was there. But don't make it like this that we feel गोंयकारांक दिसता आमी गोंया आसा न्ही, आमचो राजा हो, should we exalt him that much? Okay, exalt. I have no problems over that. But if it's making somebody insecure, explain to them that there is no need of insecurity. I have no mercy, like I said, for putting fear in people. I have no mercy about insecurity in people. You're instilling all this. You're making them feel we are not worth for you to explain to us. And then you want votes, yeah. You want votes.
Communal disharmony जातली.
I never believed there was communal disharmony in India.
जातली काय म्हणटा फ्युचरान गोंयांत
Till I'm
ह्या
alive,
विशयांचेर
till I'm alive, not possible.
सेकंड एक आनी
You know, one Sadhvi had come, hang those who eat beef. What I did, you know, I used to get messages from people. I've gone in one holy sansthan recently, and I made a noise there, saying that certain things, just because you're majority, doesn't mean you can talk anything. Don't put fear in people. You're one big zero again, I'm saying, when you do that.
ओके लास्ट क्वेश्चन
There is no question of religion comes in that.
Last question, as you have to also rush.
Yeah. You're anti-religion. You're anti-religion if you put fear in people of any kind.
विमनांक बायलांक तिकेट दिता म्हणून भाजपान म्हटलें की दक्षिण गोंयची तिकेट आमी बायलांक दिवपाचे विचार करता सो दॅट इज वन रिजन वाय यू शूड सपोर्ट बीजेपी
First of all, where's the question of saying support BJP when I'm saying don't go out to vote?
No, but I'm giving you one reason to support.
What I'm saying is, Bail Asuni, please make sure, please, one thing I'll appreciate about, one thing I really appreciate about Bala Saheb Thackeray, locals in Maharashtra will get, any industry comes, tagline, it is anti-democratic. Everyone is Indian. But I love that anti-democratic line too.
हांगा पुढून ना तुमकां यू आर नॉट
I have said that. Special status कोणे काढलेलो हेमा सरदेसाई. First पेपरार आयिल्ले हेमा सरदेसाई says.
But
special status.
revolutionary
Yeah,
goals
and
you
I had
don't
said
like.
and I still say, make sure that at least काळजांतून तुम्ही localsंक job दिया. There are two more things I have to talk. Good, Rupesh, you brought this up. Localsंक job दिया. They are leaving. We are saving green Goa for whom? Non-Goans. Okay? There is something called local. Give respect.
सो यू आर नॉट विथ रेव्होल्युशनरी गोवन्स पार्टी
I am
Standing
not
there,
with
that's
any
म्हणटा
party.
you are
I am
also.
not with any party. Obviously, म्हाका जर
why-
खंयचे पार्टी बरो आशिल्ले म्हाका म्हजे
No,
पॉट
but I mean
one
so-
minute म्हजी प्रोफेशन कितें सिंगर मरे ज्या पार्टी बरो आसा ते म्हजी कॅर घेतले आशिल्ले विथ देअर ऑफिशियल शोज वूड हॅव कम टू मी वाय 23 years नो पार्टी हॅज गिवन
म्हजो
हिमा
प्रश्न
एनीथिंग
ना, ना, म्हजो प्रश्न की
ना
तुमकां
हे पयलीं तूं
soft
सांग मरे की
corner-
हांव कोणा बरो आसा
सॉफ्ट कॉर्नर ना तुमकां काय म्हणटा
No,
रेव्होल्युशनरी
no, I've not even met them. I've not even met these guys who are.
म्हणून सॉफ्ट कॉर्नर ना म्हणटा तुम्ही
No, should we have a soft converse for that? Tell me about them.
No, you should have a political line of thinking also, no, when elections are there, whom to vote.
No, I would take your advice. Who should I have a soft corner for? Rupesh, you know better than me what's the political scene. Give me your advice when we're sitting off the record.
Not at least nota, कोणा तरी मारपा जाय
Yeah. So
Nota
no,
वचप ना.
I'm anti-democratic there. I'm anti-democratic. There was something we were talking about. where
Okay,
I-
women's ticketiche
Yeah. So what I'm saying is local, anti-democratic. Fine. I'm okay with being anti-democratic. It's democratic. Is that the right way to say it? Local आसूकूच जाय. गोंयची बायल गोंयकारांच्या भितर वावुरलेली बायल जाय जी सावथ गोवा नॉर्थ गोवा तुमी खंय दवरता तिणें जर काम केलां लोकांचें तिणें जर आपले आतां मदीं एक यू नो पीपल टोल्ड मी हेमा यू स्टूड फॉर समबडी यू डिडंट वर्क फॉर अस okay, a non-party person, okay. So I don't want to hear that from anybody, or I don't want anyone to hurt that we are supposed to give a vote for somebody who never did anything for us just because they have done something somewhere else, maybe in social media or somewhere else. Why? Give somebody who has worked for the people, who has even done something where people can say she stood by us or he stood by us. I'm not talking about Mia. Naka tumchi ticket maka.
आयल्ले कोण तिकेट घेवन बी अशें आता लेटेस्ट रिसंटली
years ago मनोहर बाईक सांगलेलें खूब जाणांनी की she should come into politics, please give her a ticket. He said she walks straight. Politics is not for her. And I may, if today I come into politics and if I win, I may walk so straight I could become a sword for people. So better
better to stay away.
Yeah, mother doesn't kill.
Mother doesn't
Yeah,
kill
yeah.
her own children. Okay, देव बरे करू. आज
Alright,
this
तुका
will-
आयली. Yeah.
In fact-
in fact, I wanted to tell you something else while we were talking about the
non-goans
election.
जागो कोणा खातीर वेगळो?
Very good. I got it. See, Rupesh, I beg of the government few things. Okay, one of them is I've already expressed. Any pothole, it's a demand. The begging will come later. This is a demand, of course. The roads, तुका सगळें सांगलां हांवें म्हजे डिमांड्स. ओके, रमलर्स कितें आसा ते तुमी बस पोल्युशनाक बयत ना कोणाक. ओके, there are few issues like, okay, smart city, take your time. We are not putting a gun on your head, we are not. But this one, our culture, North Goa, Morjim, Asagaon, Siolim, is already with our own Indians, but non-Goans. Already we don't see much Goans there. Our culture is at stake. It's dying. There I beg. I'm begging. Every schoolan culture teach karung jai. Konkani speaking lang. You don't want to make it official. Konkani speaking classes necessary. Mother tongue ti amchi. Baki chang ao maushi tongue manta. Yes, they are aunts of us. And Hindi is the grandmother. But Kokni is our mother tongue. Our culture, आमचे दिवसा, आमची फुगडी, आमचे नरकासूर किंवा even Narkasur, I don't know from where whoever said whatever, but these are all our cultures. You can't stop culture of people. There are so many things that are there in Godemodni, whatever we have, okay? Please make sure that it's taught in schools. So whoever are our Indians who have come and settled now in Goa, who are non-Goans, they imbibe the culture in themselves and it continues. You kill the culture and the language, you are a bigger sinner. It's inhumanity. समझना रे हेमान कित्याक सांगपाक जाय वाय इतली गोष्टी काळजार धरा मरे I'll tell you when this government of Honorable Minister Pramod Sawant, Honorable Chief Minister Pramod Sawant started, I looked at him as an innocent man. Kaळzacho manis, innocent man. He did a great job in COVID. Let's face it. Fabulous job he did. He used to go personally there. Okay? When somebody was in trouble, तो खंय गेलो रे सोदता मरे त्या चीफ मिनिस्टराक हेमा सोदता आवय सोदता तुका चलो म्हजो खंय गेलो आं खंय गेलो रे तूं I am asking this. In culture in our schools has to be taught. Don't kill our Kokani. Don't kill our culture. We cannot stop. Years ago, Rupesh, centuries back, this was Desh of our Gaudes. तांकां कन्वर्ट करून मागीर कुणबी केले. It was a tribal Goa. थंयच्यान सारस्वत आयले भितर. It was not their land. आनी कोण कोण आयले फ्रॉम कर्नाटका ते आयले भितर. Today others are coming. History repeats itself. But that doesn't mean our culture dies.
Culture should continue.
Culture and language. You
Should
cannot
be
kill it.
preserved.
Yes.
ओके देव बरें करूं
Thank you, बाबा.
तुमकां वेळ चड घेतला आमी आयच्या दिसा
देव बरें करूं तुका सदांच असोच हुशार आनी ब्रिलियंट राव आनी म्हजो आशिर्वाद सदांच आसा तुजे बरोबर म्हज्या गोंयकारां बरोबर अँड आतां सुद्दां देवान म्हाका व्हेल्यार हांव म्हणटा तशें अशेंय बी ह्या 3 जाणांनी जांची नांवां हांवें पयलीं घेतलीं हू डज दीस फेक आयडीज आनी अशेंय बी दे रायट तूं मरगो चलता आमकां म्हणून डजंट एफेक्ट मी दोज हू walk on the road of God. I always say, I'm yours, God. I do your work. And the greatest of masters have said, who says what does it matter? I see you. You see me. We are finally answerable to that. Don't mess, my advice is, with the people who are with God, are doing God's work on their roads, because karma is a very sad thing.
देव बरें करूं.
थँक्यू देव बरें करूं.
तुम्ही पळयतात ही खाशेली
bless you.
कार्यावळ आयिल्ले आमी इलेक्शनाचे डिस्कस करपा खातीर पूण वेगवेगळ्यो गजाली ज्यो डिस्कस केल्ले तातूंतय तुमकां तुमचें मत कोणाक घालचें
घालचें न्हय.
घालचें न्हय घालचें न्हय.
Let them prove. I want every road, every pothole, and whatever I've said. All these are basics. Get them done, then you take the vote.
हे
वतले
सगळें
आमचे
सारकें
लोकांक विचारता आमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएंट आगो तेच लोक परते परते येता गोंयकार आमचे ग्राथ मनशां तांच्या पोटान तांचे हात गेल्या म्हणटात पळय तशें यू अंडरस्टँड तांणी खालां तांचें कितें करतले दैत्य आसूं कितें आसूं दुसऱ्यांक दैत्य आपल्या पोटान घाला न्ही ताणें ते वोट दिवचें पडटा वोट दिवचो पडटा
आमी थँकलेस न्ही अशें म्हणटा तुमी. वी आर व्हेरी थँकफूल.
we are only love and giving at this and innocent. That innocence is being messed with now because you are putting fear, you are putting all this. Hurry, come out and make statements like this that people don't feel the fear anymore. They feel assured. Show on your road, show things where you are caring. Bas, that's all.
ओके देव बरें करूं.
I'm not asked for anything that they can't do.
दॅट इज पॉसिबल. वॉट एवर इज पॉसिबल.
Everything, super possible.
देव बरें करूं. ओके. तुमी पळयता ती खाशेली कार्यावळ आनी मेळपाक आयिल्ले आसा हेमाबाई सरदेसाय हांकां आनी जाणा जावन घेतले की तांचें मत कितें सद्या. सो पळयत रावात गोवा न्यूज.